Before beginning, make sure all parts included in the kit are present. Step 1. Disconnect the battery terminal on the truck. This step is optional. Step 2. Plug the wiring harness into a fuse slot with constant power and attach the ground wire to an existing ground near the fuse box. If no open space is available in the fuse box, remove an existing fuse, place it in the open slot at the end of the wiring harness, and insert the harness into the slot just opened. Step 3. Reattach the fuse box lid. Step 4. Snake the harness between the fuse box and front of the truck bed and secure using the zip ties supplied. Step 5. Route the harness through the knockout plug in the truck bed and into the truck box through the access grommet. Step 6. Use zip ties to secure the remaining wire and attach to the truck box or bed. Step 7. Connect the 2-pin connector to the light assembly in the truck box. Step 8. Route the end of the harness behind the gas spring guard. Step 9. Reconnect the battery terminal if the terminal was disconnected in Step 1. This completes installing the lighted truck box wiring harness using the fuse box method. If you need assistance or have questions, visit our website or call customer service. If you need assistance installing a box on your truck or upgrading an existing truck box to a lighted box, see the links in the description.